Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Kraken application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store on your device and then tap on the search box and then type in Kraken and start your search. Once you find the Kraken application, tap on it and you will see the Get button. Just tap on this Get button and this will begin the download and installation of the Kraken application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you can see the Open button, which you can then tap on to open up the Kraken app on your device right away. And once the application is opened up, you can proceed with signing up to create a new account or logging into your existing one to start using the Kraken app on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Kraken application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.